What's wrong there? What's wrong there?
I don't know if it's going to let me catch him now.
Give it a shot.
It's kind of a tight spot. I don't want to catch it right there. Come on. Look down there. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. See, it's not the real. Yeah, he's a distraction for me. Baby.
I want to see him run around more.
He's such a good boy.
Got him now.
There.
Yeah, there you go.
That wasn't too hard.
It's never hot out today. It's about 31 or 32 degrees Celsius. And I do have AC in this car, thankfully. It's the only car I have that does have AC. 20 years old and still blows perfect. Alright. Just cruising around. Graham, hey buddy, what you doing? Mister. You got any carrots there, Graham? And today's word origin is fortune cookie. Let's see what it has to say. Okay, scholars argue over the origin of fortune cookie, but they agree that the source was not from China, but a kind of tea cake only sketchily resembles the thing we eat in Chinese restaurants in North America. The name and the thing itself probably originated in San Francisco in the 1910s. Chinese restaurants began serving them in the 1950s and remain popular today, everywhere except China, that is. Well, I thought they'd been around a lot longer than the 1950s, but who knows, right? Good fortune is good fortune.